Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can edit a PDF file on your Android device. So at the start you have to open the Play Store and look for the PDF editor. I'm always using the Adobe Acrobat. Now just open it. You have to sign in, accept the agreements, and click continue. Now you should see your PDF documents from your file in this list, so open it. And now you can edit a document here by this menu bar. You can add a text here, for example. You can change the place of the document and change the font settings. And this is how it looks, and this is how it works. You can also change more, like adding a comment, highlighting something. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.